I think I have ADHD. If me, it's not even a think at this point. I am 99.9% sure. Vlog! Yo, what was good, man? Everybody jiggy? Yeah, me there, man. Me just easy. All the storm thing, you know, say it never forward, but you know, like rain and them something. Everybody, like the rain, now bother on it too much. The road, now block up on them something. I have a couple of leaks I go on, but that at least, you know. And the rain really there today. I'm glad to say the place cool. That's what I'm really glad for, you know. So we can stay inside the whole day. Stop sliding. What are you sliding for? One of the elastics bust off of this, so I have to put it back on myself. Bruh, stress. And you want to know, say, I'm dropping a bead themselves though. I mean, but I think if we go back to the hairdresser lady and make sure deal with it, but I say, oh, that'll take too much time, yeah, man. And maybe she got, I don't know if she would have, but maybe I have to pay her a little extra or whatever the situation is. So I say, oh, how difficult can it be? And being the nigga that I am, let's go some boom brother and go up on YouTube and say, yo, you don't take no time. Or you don't take a whole heap of effort for deal with it and like, I don't know if this is the good, but that's that. Yesterday, you know, I don't think I opened the door once. Maybe I opened the door, yeah. 2 times. But the back door was closed like right through. But he tell us I drop some beads and I think for make it, you know, stay down. Yeah, man. So you look at now, you have it. You have it, you have it. Mm-hmm. They are easy, but I'm kind of not like, kind of bored. But it is the life that you ask for when you try to be a social media influencer. You know, you kind of have like a chill life. Nothing to really worry about like that. Teeth them look kind of clean now. This might be an inside vlog. Put on your focus. Yeah. Honestly, the only reason why I made it look like this is because I turn on the vlog. That I only, let me just give it straight up. Because I say, yo, let me just do a little one vlog and nothing, you know what I mean? That cause me nothing to just flick on the camera and chat to a little bit. I couldn't know what I go on. My order a part for my car today. Or was it maybe like last week? I don't remember. Anyways, my other part, so that's supposed to come. The thing is, I don't know if it's the right part, brother. I don't know if I right part. So right now it's just be a shoot in the dark. But me decided to me I gotta dedicate the time to get the car sorted out. Because a lot of things that I want to do rely on me being able to move around comfortably. Of course, I can take taxi, but like I said, comfortably and also in a way that makes sense financially. If you take like 5,000 taxi right now, it makes sense. I want to get back to making content, you know, like decent content. I can't really make the reaction videos like how I want to. I can't do it anymore because you know it's just risking losing the channel. I think all the strikes are gone now. The last one's supposed to go August 23rd. So all the strikes are gone. I'm good again. So the whole thing right now is just getting back to creating content. But just now I'm at the same type of content that I see. I always want to do some different things, you see me? Win or lose. Just want to know, say, yo, I'm going to do some different thing. The stranger versus stranger is a very good concept. I love it. But the internet issue, I doing it over the internet requires me having better internet. I don't know if you want to see the first or the pilot episode. Doing it over the internet requires me having better internet. Currently, I have slow internet, and the upgrade would be the yard and road, the 150. But based on the area where I'm living now, the yard and road is not available here as yet. Jesus Christ. So the next option of doing that show is going out in the streets, right? But to do so and in a way that make financial sense, I need to have my vehicle, which is why I'm pushing to get the vehicle sorted out. So yeah. No like um I feel like a couple of them will. I get loose. I mean, I try to beat that style of it maybe like 2 weeks or something, you know? At least 2 weeks, bro. Get at least 2 weeks out tight. Then pull it out. Maximum I try to go for 3 weeks. Okay? 3 weeks. But right now it just seems like some of them are come out. And I mean, it's easy. I feel like, say me I gotta have a camera person with me and the next person, you see? Easier we just have like a vehicle where, you know, convenient, where we can have the gear in the car and all of them something there, and you know, feel like, yeah, get what you call it? What's the word? The word was right there a while ago. Yeah, inconvenience other people when you have a bag of things or them something. You know, you just. So yeah, that's what's going on. Sure, so the thing set, brother. Yo, I say they need cock up, so drop on the beads them for them. Stay down, you know. Have a look at one tree that run over this, so looks promising. I want if you just, I'm sure no what go on. But I just want alert when these set to let me know when price are past a certain point. So it was triggered. But me just need this to do right now. I come down so good. I know what kind of nonsense man them up to like they want to go back up here. So, you see me? We just need this to fly through. Bust through here so. And we jiggy again, you see it? We jiggy again. I try and make the trade just play out and not be too antsy and, you know, make my emotions cause me to jump out of trade prematurely. We just like to see through to the end. So fuck it. That's what I'm doing. Got some of my faves them right there, so. You know, water soaked peanuts. Need to load up some more. I have a new pack over there, so I go throw in. I always implore enough to try them. If you never try it, try them, man. Water soaked peanuts. That's on our way. Water soaked peanuts. Nuts. But let me show you now. Quick and fast. Even though I feel like I'm showing already. But all you do is just empty out your peanuts into the bowl or whatever you want to. Yeah? Boom. And if you do not believe me, taste one of the peanut them before. Focus. Come on. I realize it's a totally different thing you eat when you soak it in the water. Or you just soak it in whatever water. Maybe you don't want to use tap water, you want to use what you call it? Bottled water. You can do that. Put the water in there. Enough to cover it. Some of them are going to float at first, but when they start get saturated with the water, I don't know if it's a wrong process I'm going to say right now, by the process of osmosis. Yeah, so when it starts soak up all of the water, then all you got to do is just put it somewhere and let it chill. You can leave it out and cover it up, or you put it in the fridge. Usually just put it in the fridge. Boom. That's it. And then we get this. How you know when it's ready? When you see most of the red gone off of it, and you start to see the veins on the peanuts. So when you soak it for long enough, so you just see the veins them come on, man, on that. And it will look like they in doubling a size, which is possible because it take on water. I think I have ADHD. If me, it's not even a think at this point. I am 99.9% sure. Even though it's self-diagnosed, I think I have it. I think it was formerly known as ADD, attention deficit disorder. But now it's ADHD. I don't know what the HD means, or the H mean, but same disease or disorder, I should say, not disease. And it is, when I say ADHD, it's not a lack of paying attention. I don't. Anyways, they say it's a deficit in my ability to pay attention to certain things, especially when it now stimulate me like mentally. I think the thing that your brain releases when like the happy hormones or whatsoever will make you want the certain things. It's called let me check. I mean, I want to say the wrong thing. Yeah, so me check, and it's called serotonin. So it's responsible for releasing the happy hormones and them thing in your brain. And for people with ADHD, if the thing that we're doing is not stimulating and releasing that, then we don't want to do it. It's hard to kind of focus on it. And like going back and just backtracking in my life, I realize, say, oh, that's what it was for me. That's why certain tasks and certain like mundane things just feel like it was the worst thing ever, while other people sit down there and they might enjoy it. And it just feel like I am being tortured. Like, why do I have to be going through this? And I realize it no. And it's just by accident why I'm really kind of come up on there's this ADHD page that, it just come up on a post. And it kind of struck me like, yo, this is how I feel. And they constantly like forgetting what I'm supposed to be like doing. There's this video where the man, it says like what ADHD is like or something like that. And it has like different symptoms. But most of them may experience them. And one of them is the man was sitting in a car and then he ask himself, why am I in my car again? That particular situation happened to me several times. And it's not just the car one. Like, me get up to go do something, I may have to stop in the middle of what me I do and why me get up again. Yeah. And it's a whole heap of other symptoms that that me experience when me diagnose myself. If me forgot one doctor right now, all him I do is confirm what me I say. But the Vox Pop thing when me go do for link, vlog 168. Yeah, live on them IG page. So you can go check it out. Nice to go out in the street, talk to the people and find out how them feel about link and all of them something. So you can get that one free man if you know nothing to do. That's it. One of the reasons is that's why the reaction videos became like it just feel like too much stress for me after a while. It never did I release no more serotonin in my brain. It never feel fun to do again. Me never happy to do it. So now I realize that me creating content, especially things that I love, and if me want to like continue create it, me have to make sure say me me stop it at a certain point. Because the reaction videos they went on for quite some while. And I think a certain point in between like the serotonin just now release again and it just get dead. So in doing content going forward, me have to make sure say something we constantly I release the serotonin, and as soon as I feel like it, I go dry up, or maybe even before it dry up, I just stop and move on to something else. Just so I can, be motivated. Because as soon as the serotonin dry up, doing it after that, it just feels like torture, and I don't want to do it no more. And there are a couple other little symptoms, but can't really get into that now. But I'm trying to like find out how to navigate, because it weird when you think about like how much people in this life just go through certain things, brother, and them don't really understand like what is happening to them, and they don't know how to navigate in day to day life with this like disorder or whatever the situation is. Whatever them I go through, they don't know how to navigate it, because they are what they call it, they are ignorant to what their problem is. So for the people out there who have mental disorders or other type of disorders, if you feel a certain type of way, I suggest you do some research. Type in a Google. I easiest place that feel like get information, and then you have to go decipher now what makes sense and what foolishness. And they say rough. And if you don't want to do that, it's always best to go see like a professional and make them help you find out what going on with you, so that you can know what is happening, and then you can live as close to a normal life as possible with your disorder, because you understand it, so you know the situations and you know the steps that you need to take to make yourself feel better, and also avoiding situations where are gonna make you worse. Yeah? Yeah, man. Anyways, go up on YouTube and see that these little things, bead attachers, they come in at the bead pack. Buy white. This is another ADHD thing, the impulse to just buy things. But they buy white because I couldn't get black. But then I end up get black. I never did have to buy white. But I end up need 2 packs of black, so I have to go back at the shop. And anyways, these come in the bead pack, and you load on the beads. And you it's like threading a needle. You put your hair through your son, and you pull it, boom, beads go on, and you lock it with an elastic at the end with a bead and them thing. Then I end up do it by myself. So yeah, I don't know what kind of dumb feature this then come with, but just make me able to focus the thing without no nonsense, no please. Jeez. So I monitor with trade people. We're like a couple pips away from it hitting take profit. So I just bust out the cam so y'all can witness it real time live going down here on the Kevin Too Crazy vlog channel. And beep 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 boop boop. Remember say last time I showed it was in this little area right there, so. And we're almost at take profit. Almost there. I don't want to be greedy and stay in the tree. Hey, what are you doing? Alright, this might take a little bit more time. May I try wait to see if it I gonna do it while I'm on camera. Gotta be a games they play, Nah, market, you understand? We just get a boom now, boop, and drop. I get 30 more seconds. And then, if not, me just come back when time I hit take profit. And show you. Now wait. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, may I say me again wait? Because it's not really far, You just need to make one look easy push. And boom. Take profit. Is it gonna do it? 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 And bruh, we don't have all day, no brother. What I do? Sure. It's a simple push you need to make. Simple push, brother. Alright, I'm not go eat. I'm gonna just come back when time it hit it. Which probably gonna be in the next beep, boop, one more. Come on, bro. And there we go. Take profit. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put that trade there, break even, you see me? Alright, this is the trade right here. Honestly, I feel like I'll take some profits. I'm gonna take some profits, right? Where's the thing? Maybe like, what should I do? Take like 20. I'm gonna take like 30. No, I'm gonna take 25. Right? Put your break even. And so if the market decides it wanna spin back, this ain't no this 675. We just make it do it, I don't know, you know? Let it do what it's doing. This was a trade I entered earlier on the same pair with the what is this? It was a 5 minute. Hold on, not that one. Hold on, where is it? Okay, yeah, on the 5 minute time frame in the demand zone, not demand, the supply zone, because we're selling. No, is it that one? No, it's not that one. It's further up. Yeah, see that? See the one at the top. So this was let me turn the phone sideways. I probably have to go turn in ahead. So this was a 5 minute supply zone, and as you can see, the market went in there, boom, 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 and just do it. It created another one here. Created another demand zone, supply zone right here. As you can see, it dipped in there a couple times. Well, I did go sleep when the dip for this happened, because I was waiting on it, but I did end up drop asleep. And then the market just lingered around that area until it cascaded, created another supply zone right here. And this one now may enter the 0.50 position. And now we just make them ride out, you know, do what they're doing. Yeah, that's it, people. I think this is a vlog. I just make this a vlog, you see me? Big up on yourself, my day is easy back. Not really going because it rain and them something. So it's just more like a chill day. And they are watching market same way. Not really I watch it, but you know, monitor my trades. So until we link again. We link again, you see it?